Hello, Detective Treeley here, and I'm going to help you decode some nonsense words. Now remember, all good detectives look for clues on how to figure things out. So if you're not quite sure what the word reads, look for the clues. And we've gone over those pretty well this week. We've learned the sounds of the consonants and the vowels that are going to be in these words. Alrighty, let's take a look at the first word. I see a nose sound. This word begins with a nose sound. If you remember what this sound says, this letter, remember it's itch, itch, and sniff. Now that's a nonsense word, doesn't make much sense, and that's okay because we're going to need to tap into those as we become better readers. The word is niff. Let's go to the next one. Is there anything in this word that you recognize? Oh, I see the same ending sound. That is, so we know that. Let's talk about these two sounds. You are so right. Boff. The nonsense word is boff. Take another one. Oh, wow. I see another ending sound. We just had that sound in our word. It was the beginning sound. Now they've put it at the end, and we talked about this sound as well. Wait a minute. We can read this sound. It's tob. T-a-b. Tob. We know that. We looked at the clues and we tapped it out. Our last word for nonsense word is this. I'm going to give you a second to try and tap that out. You got it? Let's tap it out together. N-a-b. N-a-b. Nub. The nonsense word is nub. Fantastic, you guys. Great job using those clues.